Maya. You hungry? Come here. Hello, little girl. Come here. Come here. I'm going to put a collar on you later, okay? All right? What do you think? You hungry? Come here. Look at me. Look at me. I'm going to put a collar on you, and I'm going to find your babies. Yeah, I'm going to find your babies, and I'm going to track them. And then we're going to get your babies, and we're going to find a place for you. And you're going to go into foster home, okay? With your babies, so you're off the street, okay? What do you think about that? Yeah. You want to go to a rescue group? Yes, you are. With your babies, okay? And you find a home. Somebody